Hello and welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to be doing just like a productive week in my life? No, a productive day in my life. I've tried to do weeks in my life. I just feel like they end up being really bland and I end up not being productive, and like, not that they have to be productive, but like it's kind of more not exciting, but like more entertaining, or like there's more value to a video if like I'm actually doing stuff in it, you know what I mean? Like, you don't want to see me lazing around doing absolutely nothing. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a productive day in my life. So basically I actually started an internship a couple of weeks ago and I've been doing it from home since I started. Some days I have more work than others, and today when I wanted to vlog, it just happened to be a day where I had a lot more work than I usually do. So I've been kind of working solidly since like 9:30 this morning, and it's now almost 1 p.m. So two other things I want to do today is I want to be doing some of my courses. So basically I took up 2 new courses because I did finish my college year in March when I started this internship, and then I just wanted to like learn something new. So I've taken up 2 courses. I've taken up HTML coding, and if you're in Ireland, if you look up e-college and you want to do like e-college, it's like an education training board online. Basically they do have a lot of free courses at the moment if anyone's watching and is interested. Lots of, I would definitely recommend, because some of us have a lot of spare time, you know what I mean? So another thing I took up yesterday, and I spent like 4 hours doing it because I was just really enjoying it, was I took up a digital marketing course. I was really enjoying it. I was actually learning so much. I didn't realize there was so much about digital marketing that I didn't know. I knew a lot and I really don't. So right now I have my ingredients to make some banana bread, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I would like to admit that I have kind of messed up. I was meant to put in a teaspoon of baking powder and I have already put it in the tin with no baking powder. So I've spooned the mixture back into here and I've just mixed it in with the baking powder, and I'm gonna put it back in again. In we go. I have just put it in the oven there. I put it on for 26 minutes. We're gonna check it then. It's meant to be 30 minutes, but sometimes this oven is a bit funny. Now I'm gonna clean up this mess that I have made, and then I'm gonna put on some makeup, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now. Not that I have any reason to, but just to feel pretty, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think I'm gonna do anything over the top because it's only going to be on for a couple of hours, because if I go on a run later on, like, I'm not going to wear makeup going on a run. I don't think. I'm just going to honestly try out new makeup that I got. A few days ago I placed an order on Beauty Bay, so I got 2 new foundations, a new concealer, an under eye serum, and something else. Oh, castor oil to try to grow out my eyelashes, which if I make other vlogs I will keep you posted on if that works. Yeah, so I tried out the Ordinary foundation. It's a full coverage foundation by The Ordinary yesterday. I actually really liked it. So I'm going to try out my other one today, which is the LA Girl foundation. I already kind of tried it and it feels like really wet. Like, it's not gonna dry into my skin, which we'll see. I don't know if it's gonna be good. I think I might combine it with something to make it a bit more tacky or something, or I might at least put a primer on underneath it. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll come back to you. So I changed a bit ago, so I changed into just a nicer top, just to make me feel good, you know. Oh, let's not stand in that light. Yeah, so I've just done like another hour-ish, like 40-50 minutes of work, and now I didn't actually have lunch at 1 because I kind of only ate breakfast at 11, so I was like, there's no point eating lunch too early, so I'm gonna have lunch now because it's like 3 o'clock. I'm gonna make myself a chicken fajita, like a quesadilla sort of vibe. I don't really know, I'll show you when I make it, but and also I have banana bread, so I might eat some of that as well, but I'm just gonna quickly make it because I do have more work to do. So this is how my lunch is looking at the moment. This is just chicken my mom made, and then
I've done this a couple times where like I do wrap and I like heat the cheese on it. Oh my god, I just burnt myself. It's fine. So the cheese like melts and then you like fold it over and like flip it. So we're gonna try and do this again. I also have this because we had a barbecue yesterday. This is how it looks in the end. Honestly, I think I flopped a bit on the quesadilla because I think it's kind of burnt underneath. Like, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can completely tell it's burnt underneath. But we've also got the banana bread. So I'm just gonna put this on the side of my plate and go upstairs and eat this. Basically, I've just eaten that food. It was so good. Like, besides the fact that I did have to like rework the wrap so I wasn't eating the whole burnt back of it, but like it actually tasted so good, so I needed to do those more often because they're really simple. And I didn't end up eating all of the broccoli and feta because it was just too much. And then I had a little bit of the banana bread and it actually tastes so good. Like, I'm actually so full right now. Like, so I've just kind of finished up the work I was told to do for the afternoon. I'm kind of unsure on a couple of things, you know, that happens with the internship because like I genuinely, this is all so new to me. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for some feedback. I think I'm gonna try to do a bit more of my digital marketing course while I wait, and then because it's like 4:45, so I figure if I do some of that by the time it comes to like me finishing work at around 5, that I'll just be done for the day and I won't do any more courses. But it's been a surprisingly busy day. Like, usually I can do a lot more other stuff throughout the day. That's not like work, but you know, it's kind of good when I do have busy work days because I feel like I'm learning a lot more. Basically, since my last thing where I was like, oh, I'm gonna do my coursework, I actually have gotten more work for my actual job, so I'm kind of working away with that. And honestly, I'd say I'll probably be doing this until when I finish work, so I probably won't be doing the coursework today, or I might do it like later on this evening for a bit because I actually really do like it. But I think I might go on a run or like sit outside, or both probably, once I'm like actually done my work day. So gonna keep going at this and I'll be see you at like 5:15. Out we go, attempting to run part in a million. So in the last clip I was talking about how I was gonna finish off my work and then probably go on a run. So basically I finished my work at like 4:45 and then I just did some of my digital marketing course for like 20 minutes, like really not that long, just trying to get a little bit done. So I watched like 3 videos ish for that, and then literally like 5:10 I was like planning on going in for a run after I finished at 5:15, but like I like a wave of tiredness hit me, so I actually took a nap for like almost an hour, and then I went on my run and I ran my fastest mile. But oh my god, I was so dead at the end of it. I still ran my fastest mile, so you know, we're getting there, we're getting fitter. Just trying to build it up at the moment. So yeah, since then I just ate my dinner and I've drank a ton of water, like a ton of water. And I did run with my makeup on, so I think I might take my makeup off because it's kind of icky. And I think then I have to reassess what I'm going to do for the rest of the evening. I haven't watched Netflix or anything today, so maybe I'll find something nice to watch. Yeah. So I enjoyed making this video. I honestly feel like this is one of my most successful attempts at vlogging. Obviously it went downhill in the evening because like there wasn't really much I was doing, but besides that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button. I hope I can make some more videos soon, and if you haven't checked out my previous videos, I've done a lot of travel videos and I really have a good couple of ones that I actually still want to edit, so if you're interested in seeing those, I'll hopefully be posting them soon. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you subscribe and stick around for other videos to come. And yeah, that's all I've got to say, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.